This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Deborah Baisden. Wonderful location close to Las Gaviotas golf course, community activities, nearby amenities, all major traffic routes. This classic center hall floor plan features an oversized family room with full brick masonry fireplace, spacious kitchen with eat-in area, center island and gas stove, and newer appliances plus finished room over garage. Freshly painted interior with new carpet. Screened porch overlooking 16th hole. Make this your home today and update to your taste and needs. For more information, review the details below.